welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you're new here, and welcome to another video. So in today's video we are doing a get ready with me. So we're doing a little bit of makeup and we're also doing hair. So thank you so much to Kemy Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing and styling this unit. So now that the hair is done, we are moving straight into makeup. So today's makeup is going to be super simple, you guys. I'm not doing anything too crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the face. So for my foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and mine's in the shade 515. And we're actually skipping out on primer in today's video because I won't be wearing this makeup for long at all. So I just don't feel like I need primer. And sometimes I don't even know if primer makes a difference. I hate to say that, but I don't even know. I guess it just kind of depends on what foundation I'm pairing it with, the primer with, and what primer I'm using as well. So moving into concealer, I'm using this Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 370. I just kind of want my makeup very minimal, not too glam at all, something nice, soft, and pretty much like an everyday kind of look. Y'all look at my hands. But at this point, I mean, you all are used to it. This is not your first rodeo, sis. You already know. Oh my god, girl. I don't know why my hands are always so dry when it's time for me to sit down and film. So now I'm just gonna set, and I'm using this black opal powder. You guys, this was like my favorite powder like when I first started to get into makeup and to use drugstore makeup, and I still love this powder, y'all. And then to set my whole face, I'm just going to take my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder, and I'm just going to use this to set my face. Y'all, it's also time for me to start washing my makeup brushes, y'all, and I am dreading it. Like, I really need to get it done today, but it's looking real not going to happen-ish, okay? Because I just cannot. And for my bronzer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. These are some really nice bronzers, you guys. Like, they have so many different colors to choose from. Like, even if you think you are too dark for bronzer, like, no, you're not, sis. Like, they have you on bronzer. So I'm taking a little bit of this NYX blush. This is the matte blush in the shade Summer Breeze. I recently ordered another one of these, you guys. I cannot wait to do a makeup tutorial using new products that I have recently purchased or ordered. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that, because today is gonna be real simple, okay? Real simple, and I'm using oldie but goodies. Well, not necessarily oldies, because some of this stuff ain't that old, okay? We're gonna snatch up the nose. And I'm using a little bit of this Laura Geller highlighter. I don't even know if they still make Laura Geller. I know it's not sold in Ulta anymore, but maybe like she just has her own site or something. Ooh, and this is Molten Copper. Is really golden. I love that. Really, really golden. I guess since the texture on my skin has gotten a little bit better, it's still not at 100%. I have been starting to wear a little bit more highlighter these days. So yeah, I'm also gonna put some on my Cupid's bow as well. And for my eyes, I'm simply just going to pop on these super natural lashes. These are from AliExpress. I love how beautiful and natural and wispy these are, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on. So now that my lashes are on, for my lip, I'm using this MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm taking a little bit of MAC's Feeling Myself, and this is a amplified cream lipstick. I love this mixed with the MAC Chestnut. This is my first time wearing it with this lip liner, but this is so pretty. And then I'm just taking some of the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Butterscotch. This is a beautiful nude shade. I feel like it just blends well with everything, the hair, the nude lip, the nude lipstick, all of that. It's such a beautiful nude. I feel like this can also be worn alone. Then I'm just gonna take some of this mascara and apply a little to my bottom lashes. These lashes are so pretty, like, oh my gosh. So let me go put on my clothes real quick, girl. Put some lotion on my hands, and then I'm gonna be back. So now that my makeup is done, I'm also dressed and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into the details about this unit. So like I said, this unit is from Kemy Hair. It is a 13x4 26-inch body wave unit. This unit was also custom colored, so it was pre-colored to this copper Auburn shade. I absolutely love this shade and the color on this unit, you guys. It is gorgeous. It suits my skin tone so well, especially since it's getting a little bit warmer and we're rolling into springtime. I love the color, you guys. It's actually been a minute since I've tried some color here on my channel, or just in general, you guys. So I was super excited to try this unit out to see what it was giving, honey. This color is just absolutely bomb, you guys. So like I said, this is a 26-inch unit, so it is super long, you guys. It comes down to my butt. I did not have any problems with this unit at all, you guys. The hair is super full, especially on the ends. I did not have to cut anything off. Now this is, I believe, a 180% density unit, you guys. This wig is thick. Like, I don't know if it's their Brazilian texture of hair that they have or what it is, but this hair is super thick and super full. Like, literally, there's so much hair on this unit, you guys. Like, it's crazy. And this unit laid so flat, you guys. Like, I got this unit like super flat, like really flat. Like, I cannot believe how flat I got this unit. And as you guys know, I pretty much did my prep off camera, which included me washing the unit, conditioning this unit, bleaching the knots, as well as plucking the knots, and pretty much just styling the unit. So I will say that the knots really did not bleach with this hair, and normally when I get color hair, I don't tend to bleach the knots because the hair has already been pre-colored and pre-bleached. But this time I just felt like I needed to do it because some of the knots were actually kind of dark. So I did just go in with my Ebin tinted lace spray. I have the big one now, sis. So I use the shade medium brown, and I pretty much use this to kind of help hide the knots in the lace. This hair also does hold a really good curl. So being that the hair is thick, I think that helps it to hold a better curl as well. This hair is super soft, you guys. It's super shiny. It's not over processed or anything like that. I literally have nothing bad to say about this hair. Like, oh my gosh, like, this is just so beautiful on my skin tone. Like, I am just in love. Like, I did not know that I was gonna love this unit as much as I do. It is so bomb against my melanin brown skin tone. I am here for it. I did decide to go ahead and add crazy baby hairs on this unit, you guys, because it was well needed. it has definitely been a minute since I've actually wanted or had a chance to actually go crazy with them, and I am in love. I love the way that they turned out, you guys. I love it. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Whew. Only if you guys know the struggle of filming this video, okay? I have been through a lot. A lot. So I need a thumbs up for that, okay? I need you to subscribe and I need a thumbs up. Got it? Got it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, everything will be linked down in my description bar below, as well as the direct link to this website, the direct link to this unit, everything you need to know, sis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.